let's see. It always takes a couple minutes for this to sync up with that.
Oh yeah.
So when you watch it, it looks like dim and blurry. And then after a minute or two, it clears. It's weird. So it's clear the whole time on there.
Just not in your phone.
Yeah. Weird. It said it paused, but I didn't pause it. I think it's because the barn doesn't let the signals get out.
Yeah.
So it'll record the whole thing on here, but people that are watching from home, it'll be like just chunks, you get in chunks. So I put it in the cloud, and then I put the cloud link out in the family group so they can hand it out to like the grandparents, and then they can just watch the whole game. So you might not be able to watch it live, or if they can't effectively watch it live because it's not working right, they can at least watch it later, or download it, or whatever they want to do. So many goalies play like that. See how her hand positioning is? When they come out, they do this. They don't do this. That way you can go up and down. They do this, and then they gotta drop all the way. Yeah, because you're like this, which is it's the exact opposite. But why wouldn't you have your wrist that way if you have to shoot out? Like you can go anywhere with equal distance. A lot of them, they do it that way because it's easier to drop because gravity is helping you, but not that much. It's not like your hand just falls to the ground really fast and you let it go. And it should be directed by your muscles, not dropping either. So. Like, they have to teach them how to do warm-up. You're supposed to be getting your blocker and tackle ready in the warm-up. Some of them come in and like beat you out, and then you just let them go on. And so it's like, why am I going to try to tear my groin before the game even starts? And why are you trying to do that? You should be practicing your shot. This is you to warm up your shot and to try to hit this side or this side, not just random. That would improve your aim, right? So. That's why if they shoot low, she just lets him go between her feet because he's not going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, and then play a game. It's unnecessary time you could pull something for no reason because it hasn't been started.
Where's stand before the game even starts?
Yeah. good getting it in deep.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, nice. That was a nice bounce off the skate. They got to squeeze them now. They're just gliding around. There you go. Come on, Ari. Around, Abby. Sometimes they get locked behind and nothing happens, and you should pushing it to the back. Save it. Not hard enough. Get the puck. Right on the stick. Move it. Get in. All right, to everybody. There you go. There you go. That was a good little catch.
Yeah.
There you go, Bridget. Just a little tip out. Was it safe? There you go, go. Nice try.
There's another one.
Who shot that? 51 right there?
I think so.
Good job. Oh, I went right by. Forgot you saved it by coming in behind. Move it. We did it. Yeah, nobody's there. Good job. Move it. There you go. Go. Offside. Kelly went over the line. Pass it. If they're ahead of you, pass it to them. Let her get in, then you can just boot it right to the net. And they'll hit you back with it. So many times that, like, someone from here, we have two at the blue line, and that person takes it in all the way. So they're just sitting there waiting. got it. Oh, almost there. There you go. Get it, get it. Oh, nice. Oh, right by him. I think a lot of the time they assume they're not going to get the puck, so they're not. And then it's like right there. It's like you have your stick on. There you go. Yeah, shoot that. Shoot it, shoot it. Take it out. Move the puck, move the puck. You gotta move it. Oh, right to him. There you go. Right off him again. There you go. At least we're getting second and third chances to get it deep again. That was a nice little chip. Nice. Just a little bit too far. You're in there, Bella. Bella's fast.
Yeah.
Move it, move it. Nice try for the center. Shoot it. You gotta step up into that. It's there, it's there. Good job, Rylan. As a forward back to the game and let her just shoot it from there. Because if they can dig it out and pass it back to her, she's got a howitzer. Pretty accurate too. There you go. Go, go, go. Nice try. Come on, Meg. Oh, she passed it. Go, go, go. Get in, get in. Oh. There you go. Dig it out, kick it out. Oh, right there. Almost two of them. Good job, Lily. Oh, right around you. Ref took the header. Gotta shoot it out. First shot, first goal, both games.
Yeah.
Last 2 games. And where was she? Standing on her red line. And they're shooting from way out there.
She said you don't just know what's already broke. Told me everything she took.
Nope. Everybody's waiting for a penalty and just letting them skid around the puck. Get over. Idiot. She's a fucking shit. Her stick got stuck in the... Oh, that was a good save. We did that last time, too. We outshot them like crazy, but... Get it over. Right there, go get it, go get it. Someone go get it. Oh. Closely missed the net. Over there.
So they're not even looking at the sheet.
No.
They're just turning the sheet.
Well, I think she just did it to keep time, but... Get up, get up. Why are you off your post? Put it deep. You're just whacking it off someone's shin pad right here. Both of them are in the same spot. They should be cycling. Oh, that was a good one. And getting each other's way. I was outside. Because we had a person go off. What we first seen on the zone.
Take the stick off the ice, they're just going to leave that shit sitting there.
Where?
They're there.
Oh.
Well, they finally take it off, so they're just going to let it sit there.
I didn't even notice it.
I don't even know whose stick it was. Or they must have lost the stick and got off the ice.
Pass it. Almost. Skate. Don't put somebody hanging out. Fuck them out. Shoot that fire. Oh. Nice try. That was a good pass. Almost everything's on the back end. Turn. Everybody's on the same spot again. Someone right on me. Oh, right inside. Yeah, there's four space and you put the one person that's in front of you. Off the board and out. Went right to them. Skate. Look at this, she made that plate right on the freaking red line. Right to them. Pass it right to them. I hear this off the broken right. There you go. Oh, no one's there. He says he's been moving. Where are you going? That thing was like staring way over there. Nope. Take it. Oh. There you go. They're both in the same spot. Move it, move it. Oh. Nice. They tucked it in the corner. They went like that and backhanded it, and it was between the foot and the post, and then she went like that and shoved it through. We're gonna need a lot more than that. Now go do it again, go do it again. If you're gonna shoot it low on the goalie, just blast it. Because you want it to come back out off of it, not be right there where you grab it. See? Oh, see? They just keep hitting the ref with it. There you go. Move, move, move. Go wide, go wide. Someone go to the net. Go to the net. And no one's going to the net. Get up. On the back of her net again. You'd think one year she'd learn not to stand on the red line. All 3 goals, she would stand on the red line. Sweet. Wait. They were trying to pull Talon to get an extra attack around her. They were yelling at her and idiots doing that instead. Now let's see if we can keep it in the zone. There's gotta be someone open somewhere, but whether they'll get it to them tonight. There you go. Yeah, kick it in, kick it in. Shoot it in, shoot it in. Nice.
Like all the time, because
Yeah.
you have a purpose. I don't.
Yeah. Well, we had a little bit more room to work, but it's not. They were actually bombing it in and attacking that. The other one, we were always around, but we won't. You got to get right in the goalie's face, because usually that's where it's going to bounce off. Right? Nice. There we go. But we should be after like 2 to 1. There you go. Get it in, deep, deep, deep. That was a nice pass. Oh, you gotta get it in there. Gotta turn faster and shoot. That was a good pinch. Get back, get back. Fire your back up, fire your back up. Yay! As soon as they stop moving their feet, they're about to take it down. Nope. You just turn and fire it out. Get it, get it. There you go. Audrey, move back. There you go. Get your stick off people. Oh, right to the stick. Why did it do that?
So why would you just
Yeah. And now they'll send in 2 and then they'll dig it out from you. Get up, move, move, move. Damn. You almost had a shot. I never understood that. There'll be nobody around us, and we'll just hold it there till everybody comes, and then you have the people trying to dig it out. Yeah. And then you could be whipping it once he dumps out. And you don't do it around there. If there's nobody in the middle, just rock it about with like that. Just to waste time, and it makes them all get out. Instead, you're holding it and letting them get in position. That's different if there's like 20 seconds. And then you try to do it, yeah. That was about like 30 seconds after they started. That is what I mean with the LC's doing. There you go. Towards me. Move it, move it, move it. Nice try. Shoot some. There you go. Oh, nobody's there. It really goes to help, and then there's nobody to pass it to. Fire it in, fire it in. And instead of shooting it right away, if they wait a half second, hit someone, and then it doesn't go. Put it in and make it a forward to go to work. Yeah. She must have hit someone in the head with her stick. Just an uncontrolled stick on that and fact. They were probably fighting and she went like that.
No, yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, we've gotten them to just spit that out and then your thing comes up too hot. Yeah. Get it. Oh. Ooh. Almost. Control it. Oh, right by everybody. Move it. Move it or move your feet. One or the other. Get right to them. Perfect pass right to their defenseman. Look up and pass it to your teammate. Move that puck! You have an absolute rage. Woo. Oh, nice try. That's what you're doing. We gotta be more than 3 feet away from each other.
Yeah.
Like if she was way out here, that would have been a pass and then she would have been gone. Instead, you got 2 defenders defending 4 of us. Get it in, move it. There you go. That was a good shot. Move it. Get in the middle, Shoot. Oh. Too high.
Just
Nope.
about.
That's a hit. Oh, what was that? Pass it into the enemy's feet and you have an actual person up. Go. Look at it. Take it. Oh! Turn your hips. Now nobody's there. There you go. Get in there, Kylie. We're still too mobbed together. Like even if they do a pass, it's a 3-foot pass.
Yeah.
So if I'm a defender, I can guard all 3 of you with just a nice stick like this. Get it over. Move your feet. Uh-oh, he's in siren mode.
I was gonna say,
Move the puck. Better start skating faster if you're not going to move the puck. There you go. But now we have a forward as a defenseman because the puck's going in all the way. Look, she started there, and you have forwards up there. They had to wait for the ice instead of breaking free with the puck. There you go. Good shot, man. Get in there, Bridget. Get in there. Get the puck. Sometimes they fight with the person and you're not even worried about fighting with the person. So you're never going to get it. You're just slowing them down. There you go. Get it over. Shoot! Oh, just wide. I don't know where it is. Side net. We're out shooting them 30-8. 30 in a 3-3. Her percentage is going to be Turn. Go. They're just backhanding nowhere. Pass it to someone's stick. There you go. Nope, a foot. Go. Nobody's there because you made it go slow down at the blue line. Oh, missed it. Fired in deep. Oh, nobody was over there. Look. Straight to a spot. Around the top. Look at it. Offside. Yeah. None of them skate to the puck.
Especially when they're stepping past and get smacked over.
Turn. Get in. Good shot. Like all four of them were within like 15 feet. If there was someone always on the far side, when everybody bulks up, you could get it to the far side and it'd be wide open. Go. There you go. Got it deep and hit it away from the outside. I don't think anyone trusts that none of them are going to get it. So when there's two around the puck, they both go for it.
Yeah.
Which they might come up with the puck, but then there's nowhere for it to go. And break away. That wasn't even a shot. Way too loud. At least she was out at the... If she would have been playing like that from the very beginning, two of those goals wouldn't have been.
Yeah.
Why? You have to learn this every game. Like, what the fucking But her covering her head and going like, do your job and you won't do that. You'd be up by 2 goals right now. Watch out. Not watching the puck. That's interference. At least the defenseman jumped up to pressure in that one.
Yeah.
That was a hook. That wasn't a stick lift. There you go. Right on the stick. Gotta get it. Oh, I'll either slow it down for them. Skate faster if you're gonna take it. Putting her offside. Taking too slow. Yeah. Oh, no one's there because nobody's playing their position. And partial break. Trip. 2-2. Those doors suck. They need like a stiffer lever on the inside, so as soon as you touch it at all, it doesn't have any give, it just pushes. Look at it, all 3 of them are on the wall, so you're never going to get it to any of your own people. That wasn't even a shot, it was going wide. Move it. Move yourself or the puck. Oh, and then she wipes out. Oh, you still got it. As soon as we get it, give it. Skate. You're not skating and they are. Just another layer of God's it. Why do you have your legs open? Every time you do a butter, it's got to be knees together. Especially if they're shooting ahead and you're blocking low, because if it has to be straight, it's going the right seam in there. How you tap. Get it out. Oh, finally. There you go. Oh, they cut the gun, but that was a good try to get it out. Go, go, go. Come on, Audrey. And they drag you down.
Are you serious? Right on there.
2 of them dragged her down and they didn't call that.
Right.
It's okay if it's like a body check as long as they didn't use their stick. Get up. Get over, get over. What are you doing? Skate. No, we'll just drift slowly towards it.
Now's the time to pass.
It's never the time to pass. What do you want to play him? Turn. Gandalf. It was a good shot.
Yes,
You're
it's just
shooting
a
right
teeny
off
bit
you're shooting right off the goal.
over your shoulder.
Get it. Pass. There you go. At least I got it deep. Oh my God. You gotta let it hit you first. Bounce it back out into traffic with your glove. Keep your legs together, let it hit you, then you up. What is he doing today? You don't randomly just friggin' hungry hippos at it. They should be controlled. Hits you, then you grab it. She should be doing that while her foot's on the post, not in the middle of the net. There you go. Run around someone. Go. Oh, right at her. This is a good shot. She should have shot it low off that pad, and it might have popped right like the other grip. Like as soon as someone gets within range, it's just tunnel vision all the way in. You don't look. You have someone without someone on them. Move it. Not everybody. Turn. Oh, good try, but they don't pass it. Oh, right into the ref. There you go. Get it out. There you go. There's like 2 of them on any one of us because by the time you move it up to someone, there's nobody around. Bring it in. Kick it ahead. Look, 3 of them on us. And then they throw it in the pile. There you go. Off the wall now. I want to go back.